Are they gone yet? Okay, are they gone yet?
Yes.
The hiccups are gone?
Yes.
It worked?
Yes, it worked.
Did you just hiccup? Did I hear you hiccup again?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
That was a hiccup. That was a hiccup. I heard it.
This is a video?
Yes.
Let me see.
In a video. You can't see the video until I'm finished taking it. Yeah, you have to try something else to get rid of the...
Okay.
You have to try something else.
I had to read a story about hiccups.
And that'll make the hiccups go away?
Yes.
Where did you learn that from?
From Cappy, whatever it's called. Let's go.
You want the hiccups to go away?
Yes.
Why don't you drink some water? Why don't you go drink some water? Try that.